The rest of the boys from Kelly's litter of F1B mini golden doodles. This sociable little fella right here is boy Lime. He's gonna have very curly hair, kind of on the smaller side of the litter, a little darker in color. This is boy Gray, also very curly, kind of that teddy bear look. Hey buddy. And this here is boy Tan, a little bit lighter colored, also very curly. Hey fella. And this here is boy Black, and he's gonna have more of a wavy look, kind of in the middle as far as color goes. Apricot. Hey bud. On the larger side of the litter, we'll have that wavy F1 looking coat, but should still be non-shedding and hypoallergenic. Hey buddy.